Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. This is a super exciting video because I have the first ever box from a brand new company called Stationery Scout. And as you can see right here, the branding is already amazing. I know Chelsea, the creator behind Stationery Scout. She's also the brains behind the Puget Sound Correspondence Society, and her and I have been friends for several years, and I'm so excited to see what she's doing here. But yeah, she has created a stationery box that I believe is monthly, and it features creators from all walks of life, and I'm super excited about this box. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. Like I said, her branding is amazing. I'm really impressed with her branding. So I'm just going to pull it out of the box. And the colors are delicious. And I just can't get over. I'm a sucker for good branding. I really am. I'm just going to slide it off. And she's thought of everything. Look at this. Ooh, this is also exciting. All right, I'm just going to pull the paper. And like I said, her branding is everything. So let's just go ahead and get right in. The first thing we have here is some rainbow washi, and I'm loving this. This is going to be really fun to use in my letters and to journal with the little lady Clara. And this is the creator right here, Rebecca Jane Woolbright. The next thing we have here, which I think is really fun and interesting, and I've never gotten a candle in a stationery box, but I love the sentiment behind that. I think that's really lovely. Oh, it smells like a super clean bathroom. I don't know, there's pine. Oh man, I don't know. It just smells really good. I'm gonna go ahead and light it, just so I can enjoy it while we finish the rest of the unboxing. And this is the creator right here. I think that's really fun. We have some airmail twine, which is really fun. I use twine all the time to wrap up my cards and letters, so having some red, white, and blue themed airmail twine is really great. Next, we have a cute little glassine envelope. And we have some wax seals, which are both really beautiful, and they already have the adhesive on the back, so these are all ready to use to seal up any of your cards or letters. And if you don't want to use the wax seals, you can use the stickers. And then there are some artist stamps here, which are already perforated and ready to go and absolutely divine. Next, we have a package of vintage postage stamps, which I personally really love and appreciate. I use vintage postage a lot. I have quite a bit of it. But knowing that there's already stamps included in the kit that I can use right away immediately makes wanting to send mail that much more interesting. And when you use vintage postage like this, it really does make it super interesting. So here are some modern postcard stamps. So you can send 4 postcards. And then we have 2 modern regular stamps. This one is one of my favorites. It's textured and it's just really lovely. And this one is heat activated. It came out during 17, 18, when we had that solar eclipse and the moon comes out. It's heat activated, which is really interesting. So there's so many postage stamps in here that you right away can immediately send letters. Here's the business card, which is really beautiful. And this tells you a little bit about who is included in the kits. So everything in this kit is going to be made by, like I said, makers from all walks of life. And I just really love the sentiment behind that. And then a little note. I'm really, really loving this all so much so far. And I haven't even gotten to like the gist of the whole thing. So let's go ahead and dive in. We have this adorable sticker. Oh, there's two. Oh, they're different. And these are a really nice, like, heavy-duty vinyl sticker. And there's a creator, again, Rebecca Jane Woolbright. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. These are textured. Look at this card. Oh my goodness. Look at these. These are like the perfect summer cards. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. And I actually am getting caught up in a lot of my letters this week, so this is going to be great. We have two vintage postcards. One from Boston. I love vintage postcards. And this is from the largest and oldest oak tree in Florida, and it is actually used, which is beautiful. I love vintage linen postcards. Look at this. Just look at the way it's wrapped. We've got more postcards. Oh. Look at these. These are really nice too. These feel really, really nice. These are definitely coated on this side, so this is going to be waterproof. And then these are just regular. But look at these designs. Come on. It doesn't actually say who the creator is, but those are phenomenal. And then the last package. Ooh. Okay, we've got another postcard here. These are so pretty. This is by Carmen Cardoza. There's her information. And then we've got a sticker sheet, which is so good. Oh my gosh, everything about this is good. I absolutely love this. Sorry, it was so close. I was actually looking at it. Wow, so I'm super impressed with everything included in this kit. There is so much to choose from and enough postage to actually send all of these things if you want it to. So now that the candle's been lit, it is very good. It reminds me of like the Northwest. It's not beachy. It reminds me of like that in-between area between fall and winter, where nothing is quite alive and beautiful, but nothing is quite dead all the way. And it's just like that clean crispness in the air, and the only thing that's really there is pine trees. That's what it smells like. How's that for a visual? Yeah, so I will leave all of the links down below for Stationery Scout if you are interested and want to find out more about what Chelsea is doing over there. But you could also pause the screen and get the information right here. I'm super excited about this. It all happened really, really quickly, and I'm just so super proud of Chelsea and what she's done, and I would encourage you guys to go support her because this is amazing. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.